Is your dog a lesbo and just loves to lick her snatch all day? Hi, I'm Cruz.
And I'm Tom.
And we've come together to bring you yet another amazing product from the Coco & Co. company.
One so profound, one so awesome, it'll have your dog going...
Experience problems in the sexual world with hooking up with other male dogs.
I'm a sad gay dog.
We have a solution for that problem. And what is that, Tom? And what is that, Tom?
The Dilldo.
That's right. The Doggy Dilldo.
It comes.
It comes in many colors, many sizes. So when your dog's alone on the nights, afford to waste another night all by herself.
Or even if she is by herself and just wants another companion, another female dog companion,
she can reach in her side drawer of her doggy bed, get the new product, the Doggy Strap-On.
Doggy Strap-On.
It works in 3 easy steps. You get your dog, and you strap it on, and you strap it on. And you let the fun begin.
Because once the fun comes, it doesn't stop coming.
So call the number below and set up your payment plan for 2 easy payments of $19.95. And your dog will be the talk of the town.
The lesbian talk of the town.
And that was another product for your moms.